boys, first snow. And ours. This is crazy. Ali, wait your turn. There goes Kahea through the snow in his snow boots. Oh my gosh! I'm afraid to go through. Oh! We paved the way for him.
No, Dashi. Dashi, no.
Jeez. How many feet you think?
Like, up to my waist, so probably like about 2.5 feet.
Jeez. Our backyard's buried. Dashi, go potty. He doesn't like it. Go potty, baby. There he goes. Good boy.